In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watermark your photos using Canva. Whether you're protecting your original work or simply adding a personal touch to your images, watermarking is an important step. So let's dive in and make sure your photos are showcased exactly how you want them to be. First, you'll want to open Canva. Once you're on the Canva homepage, navigate to the Uploads section. This is where you'll bring in your images. Click on Uploads, and you'll be able to select the image you want to work with. If you haven't uploaded it yet, simply drag and drop it from your computer or click the button to upload it from your files. Once your image is uploaded, select it, and it should now appear on your Canva workspace ready to be edited. Next, let's add your watermark. Look for the Text to Add to Text tool in the side panel and click on it. You'll see different text options appearing once you do so. For a watermark, the most effective choice is usually a simple heading. Click Heading, and you'll see a default text box show up on your design. Type your desired text into the box. This could be your name, your brand's name, or any specific watermark text you choose. Now, it's time to adjust the size of your text. Clicking and dragging the corners of the text box will allow you to make it larger or smaller, ensuring it fits well within your image. The key here is to make it visible, but not overly dominant unless that's the look you're going for. Once it's sized to your preference, you might want to play with its color. Changing the text color can give it the right contrast against your image background. This option can be found at the top toolbar once your text is selected. Besides color, you can also change the font style to better suit your design. Maybe a simple, classic font will convey professionalism, or perhaps something more whimsical will align with your brand. Adjusting the font size, separate from the box size, can ensure your watermark doesn't overwhelm the image. For an added touch, consider the transparency of your watermark. You can find this option typically represented by a small checked grid icon on the top panel. Adjusting the transparency slider makes the watermark blend subtly into the background, keeping your image as the main focus while still serving the purpose of protection. And there you have it. Your photo is now watermarked. This ensures your work is both beautifully presented and protected in the digital space. With Canva's user-friendly interface, watermarking photos is simple and efficient. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful in personalizing and securing your images.